Alrighty guys, so we're back. This is a 2016 Hyundai Sonata, and I'm just changing out the hood support. This is a hydraulic or a strut hood support. So we're just gonna get that switched out. Now, this is by far easy and affordable fix for your vehicle instead of keep having that hood drop on your head. So what I'm doing right now is I'm supporting it with some grips. You can use a block of wood. They actually make clamps that actually go onto the strut so that it'll hold it in place, but I'm just using some adjustable grips. All right, so now that we got on our white gloves and ready to get dirty, let's get over here. Okay, so here they have little tabs. If you push up on them and kind of like push them up and over, that'll get them off. You can pull them out too if it's the old one. It kind of damages a little bit when you just pull it straight out. But it really won't hurt it too much if you pull it out a little bit and then push it up. So I got that. I want to support the hood a little bit more, so that's why I propped it up there. Now what I'm going to do is do the same thing for the bottom one. The bottom one is set up similarly. So I'm just going to take that clamp off and we're all good to swap in the other one. It's that simple. So on these ones, again, you're pushing it like up and over the actual strut. And it just pops right in. And then we'll do the same thing for the upper. Just push it up and over. I was pulling them out here a little bit because I wasn't sure the orientation. But these ones, you push them, again, up and over. I had to screw it down to tighten it a little bit because it was a little loose. I guess it's for adjustability in case your hood needs to go up further. So again, just me struggling a little bit. But again, you push it up and over to get it to pop up on your little ball. And there we go. We're on to the other side. It was that simple. Okay, so over here is supported over there, but it can't support the weight on its own. So I am still going to use the block of wood to support it, but I'm going to get these out first, and then I'll use the block of wood. So again, just push it up and over and then pull it out. So let's get that situated. Now this would have worked a little bit easier had I relieved the tension. That's what I'm doing here. I'm relieving the tension of the hood. So I'm pushing the hood up so it takes the pressure off of the strut bracket. So now I'm just going to support it, lift it up a little bit more so I can get that other new strut on there. I'll adjust it here. So what I came up with was just adjusting it now, getting the clips pulled out a little bit so that it can pop in there. As you can see, up and over. I'll push that one up and it slid back the little bracket that holds it into place. And I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom. Again, up and over. You're probably tired of hearing me saying this, but yeah, just up and kind of like over. There we go. That one is opened up as well. So now I'll get this support off the other one. And just like that, the job is pretty much done. So I'll just pop this one back on. This little foam cushion here that's right at the base is kind of in my way. So I had to push the foam cushion out the way a little bit so that I can get that bottom support, hood support strut in there. It's giving me a little bit of a problem, but yeah, I just moved that little foam insulation there over and got it in there easy. But yes, guys, if you have this issue, just go ahead and do it. It's a super beginner-friendly project, and it's a safe project. And the parts for this job are relatively inexpensive. If I ever get around to it and being that diligent, I'll link it in the description. But for the time being, guys, I'm out of here. So go ahead and change those struts out and get your hood back to operating how it should be. I'll catch you on the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Fell victim to my hatred. Girl, I never fake this. Tying up my laces. Gotta chase it till I make it. Drowning liquor, no vacation. Part of a path that was destined for me.